Hey everybody, Jared Allen with Bully Bag and Tool Company. Here today we're going to go over several of the combo packs that we offer for the Bully Bag Ultra Pouch with the Babson. The Babson, of course, the Ultra Pouch has a feed-through channel. Take your own belt, slide it right through, and get down to business. So it includes the Babson Ultra Pouch, Bully Bag pitch indicator, adjust grip 25-foot tape measure, absolutely essential tool in the field. The oversized head is amazing. And a magnetic tip as well. The 409 shingle gauge for documenting the shingle warranty, as well as the 112 shingle gauge for documenting those 3 tabs that are a little bit newer. Badge retainer and the gear retainer. Now these are terrific. I mean, I use the badge retainer for tethering my shingle gauge. The 409 is a little bit heavy for it, but I haven't lost it in 2 years, so that's kind of great. I use the gear retainer for tethering my camera. You set up your rig however you want it. Also includes a 100-foot tape measure, long tape from Stanley. This one actually was selected for its weight and its durability, so a great 100-foot tape measure there. Your sidebar, the Bully Bag sidebar for handling your inspection of your layers, shingle gauge, pliability, as well as if you have to take any siding samples. And the Night Eyes S-Beaner, this is great for tethering your items for quick release and quick tethering, such as, say, a camera. You want it on, you want it off. And then the number 4 S-Beaner. This is outstanding because what we're transitioning to is tethering the AccuLines flipboard using the number 4 S-Beaner. Works out awesome. So just a really great setup. So this Elite setup is comprehensive, really great rig, and a really good buy for the money. So right now we're going to check out what the 8-pack is like. Okay, so another one of the combo packs that we offer here at Bully Bag Tool Company is the 8-pack for the Babson. The Babson, of course, is the belt feed-through channel, Ultra Pouch, 12 chambers in all, 1680 ballistic nylon, high-speed, low-drag, outstanding piece of equipment right there. Then you've got your pitch indicator, analog pitch indicator required by a lot of carriers, your adjusted grip 25-foot tape measure, outstanding piece of equipment right there, your 409 shingle gauge. This is going to be required by a lot of your insurance carriers, and you want to document the file as best you can. Your sidebar for inspecting the layers, using the shingle gauge, possibly even taking any ITEL siding samples. And then your badge retainer and gear retainer. These are terrific for tethering. And the 100-foot long tape from Stanley. So we're going to take a look now and see what that 6-pack is like. Includes, of course, your Babson feed-through channel, Ultra Pouch there, your 409 shingle gauge from Hague, your sidebar for handling the inspection and using that shingle gauge, as well as a badge retainer, your gear retainer for tethering your items. You don't want to be a falling hazard as well as causing damage too, and your adjusted grip 25-foot tape measure. All of these combos are excellent for the field professional. Decide which one is the best for you to claim the storm.